Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find passwords on Android. For this, go for your settings app, then search in the search bar password manager. Okay. Then choose your Google account and tap on check password. Tap on check password again. And you have to verify that it's you. Okay, now you can see see your old password from here. Okay, if I go for here, and now you can see all of your password here, and just tap on three dot option, and if you tap on view password, and you can see after that your password here. So yeah guys, that's how you can find password on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.